Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dale and I'll be walking you through the process of upgrading your version of ESET Security Management Center or ESET Protect. We are specifically going to be troubleshooting an issue where Apache Tomcat will refuse to update during the setup process. So as you can see here, the installation is unsuccessful. We can go ahead and click No. The setup tells us we can see the log files for detailed instructions and an error report. So we'll go ahead and close that. The log file can be found in the installer directory under logs. We'll go into the logs folder and there is an install report.html file. We'll go ahead and open that up. There we go. Now it's quite a long file, so either we can scroll down to the bottom of that, or we can rerun the setup process just to verify the installation failure and to clear out that log file. It only takes a second. So there we go, instant failure. You can continue to click on No. Click close. That will give us a fresh log file. We'll go ahead and open that. Now here we go, it lists the installation directory of Tomcat. It's version 9035, and here it says check if just Era and root are in web apps. So it's specifically looking for Era and root. So we'll go ahead and locate the Tomcat folder, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Apache Tomcat 9035, and web apps. Head on in there. Here we can see that we have three folders: era.back, era.new, and root. Now the log specifically was looking for era and root. As you can see, they do not exist. So it seems like the installation has created a backup of the old era folder. So we're going to go ahead and move that outside of this directory. We'll just place it on the desktop. There we go. There's now we're left with era.new, but the log wants era. So we'll go ahead and rename this folder to era. There we go. Go back to Apache Software Foundation folder. Close the log file. Rerun the setup. Here we go. We can see that the installation has not immediately failed, and hopefully this will install without issue. There we go. Apache Tomcat has successfully upgraded. I think the last version was 9035. Now we're on 9073. And inside that folder, we can go back to web apps and you'll see era and root. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials, and hit me up in the comments below if you require any additional assistance. Thank you for watching.